Yes, yes, yes. Get into it. What? Can't nobody tell me nothing about these twists, okay? Hey everyone, I'm Nishay. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. If not, thank you for tuning back in. I appreciate you. In this video, I will show you how I refresh my 5-week-old mini twists from this to this. So let's get into it. This is what my hair currently looks like. There's about 1 to 2 inches, maybe even more, of new growth, and it's starting to get harder to see my scalp through the hair. The main reason why I'm retwisting it is because some of the roots are starting to roll up like they want to lock, and we can't have that. Especially with these parts being as small as they are, too much new growth along with it rolling up can cause tension and then breakage. This style is intended to protect our hair, not harm it. So we must take the proper steps to maintain the style in order to maintain healthy hair and a healthy scalp. In the previous video, I washed my hair in this style. I take you through my wash day step by step and show you techniques I use to moisturize my hair in the twists and minimize frizz. So for the retwist, I am focusing on the perimeter and the part area, which are the areas readily seen in the various styles I wear this hair in. I put my hair into a ponytail and begin in the front at the part. I take my time and unravel the twists by unrolling it with my fingers until there's a space large enough for my finger to fit into, and then I pull it out to the ends. I do this a few times on the twist, going up about 1 inch or 2 each time. I try not to go up too far because if I transferred hair at any point while twisting, I don't want to pull on it too quickly and cause tangling. I will be retwisting the same hair back in, so I want the integrity of the twisting hair to remain neat and intact throughout the process. Once I get to the top of the twisting hair, it easily slides out of my natural hair. And as you can see, the wash day was successful because there is no buildup at the base of the twisting hair. Next, I get my rat tail comb and carefully begin taking out the braid at the base. Really take your time with this step. You don't want to accidentally rip out your hair by trying to undo too much of the plait at one time. Also, feel free to use a detangling conditioner during this step if your hair needs a little help unraveling. Once the plait is undone, I lightly comb through my hair to remove any shedded hair. To install the twist, I go in with the magic fingers, shine and jam to prep and smooth my hair. I begin plaiting that same section of hair, passing the strands about 9 times. Then I combine and split the rest of my hair into 2 sections. I take the twisting hair and align the middle of it with the base of the plait and begin rolling each side of the twisting hair with my hair. Once anchored, I continue twisting the hair to the end. Now, because the twisting hair was already rope twisted from when I initially installed the hair, I didn't have to roll the hair in between my fingers as tightly while twisting this time around. It made the installation process go by a lot quicker. If you want a detailed explanation of this install technique, please check out my original mini twist video. I explain it in detail and show multiple examples. Now, because I have a scalp condition, having the extension hair constantly touching my scalp can be a bit irritating, so I love this install method because it keeps the extension hair off of my scalp and I can still achieve a seamless and natural blend. And now I will show you the install method again. curl, I am using the Annie brand gray long cold wave rods or perm rods with a diameter of 2/5 of an inch. I wrap 3 to 4 twists around one rod, and I start wrapping right underneath where my natural hair ends on the twist. Next, I dip them into hot water. I use a towel to squeeze out the excess water and then take the rods out after they cool. As I take the rods out, I also separate the twists. Now, to give you an idea of how many twists I redid, I did 2 rows along each side of the main part and a couple twists from 2 rows at the back of the part. I did 1 row going across the front, 2 rows going up from my temple, 1 row along my ears, and then I went 2 rows up in the back. This is also why I put my hair into a ponytail before starting. This way I can see what twists are immediately showing around the perimeter of my head, and I redo those specific twists. To set the style, I am using the Nairobi Wrapp-It Shine Foaming Lotion. And then I tie it down. And here's the final look. It looks like a brand new install. And you know, I didn't worry too much about getting all of the twists in the front that were starting to roll up because I only kept the style in 2 more weeks after this, and then I took the twists out. I usually keep the style in for no more than 2 months, and I do at least 1 wash and retwist at the halfway mark. I did, however, wash my hair in this style more often this time around because I am dealing with the psoriasis flare-up. But if you have a normal scalp, you should wash it at some point after the 1 month mark. And that's it for this video. All of the products I used are linked in the description box. Please feel free to leave any questions or comments down below as well. Please like this video before you go and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. God bless.